Good morning, teenagers. Hope you guys are keeping safe and sound. Today, I am very excited to announce that I am going to start a new series in which I would be bringing the concepts from throughout the globe for you guys to participate in our journey of becoming a better human being. Therefore, I would highly recommend to each one of you to pay special attention to these videos and try to learn and impress the learnings in your day-to-day life while you are still growing physically and mentally. So, all the very best to all of you guys. Let's begin with the first concept, which is Sho Shin. This is a combination of two Japanese characters, Sho and Shin. Sho means initial, Shin means mind. Keep listening because I am pretty sure that this Japanese concept will help you to see the world and learn in a very different way. Let's begin with understanding a little background of this concept. So this term Shoshin comes from Jain Buddhism, one of the schools of the religion practiced widely in Japan, which puts an emphasis on self-control and being mindful. For Jain Buddhists, the word Shoshin refers to a beginner's mind. Remember, Sho means initial, Shin means mind. We will be talking about the beginner's mind. A beginner's mind is a state of openness and wonder that allows a person to approach life unfettered by the preconceptions, biases, or habits associated with the knowledge and experience. So in nutshell, the humility and eagerness to learn translate to beginner's mind. This makes you a better learner by turning you into a beginner. This is a way of approaching life with an open mind without preconceptions and prejudices. Shoshin is only a willingness to learn, listen more, and let others share ideas. In this theory, we do not try to win every argument but learn from others' viewpoint. Shoshin refers to having an attitude of openness, eagerness, and lack of preconceptions when studying a subject. Even when we are studying at an advanced level, keep in mind that as per this theory, even the knowledge at an advanced level should be perceived as a beginner's mind. So how this will help you? This will help you to look at everything the way a child looks at the things. It will bring the childlike curiosity to look at the things in your mind. It also means that we can put aside preconceptions, and we can keep studying. Focus here. We can keep studying even after 30s, 40s or 50s, just with the same mindset that we had on the first day when we started learning things. Yep. So in Japan, when someone praises you for your prowess in a particular skill or subject, you dismiss it with all humility, saying that you are just learning. Even if a person is an expert in something, they do not let their previous knowledge cloud their perspective when gaining new information. A little bit more about this concept is how this concept flowed from Japan to the whole globe. Its global uses today is attributed to a Soto monk, Shunryo Suzuki, who popularized Zen concept in California in 1960s. As per him, in the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few. I will say again, in the beginner's mind, there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few. And one interesting thing, that Steve Jobs of Apple was also a Zen devotee. He had given us a concept of think different, and people believe that the origination of that concept was also from this theory. We would be talking about how we should be implementing this Shoshin in our day-to-day life. But first of all, let's take some days to digest this thing of understanding what is a beginner's mind. Understanding that why I should always look at the things with an open mind. We will try to understand more about it in the subsequent videos. Till then, try to look at everything as a child. A child is always curious to look at the things. But as an adult, or as a grown child, or as a growing adult, we already have developed certain experience, and we always try to look at the things from that lens, especially when we are trying to learn something. So bring that child like mindset, and we will study more about this concept. Stay careful, keep learning, and keep trying to become a better human being. Thank you very much.